Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's very sunny and actually pretty hot today. It's going to be just something small because I want to keep videos going up because obviously it helps the channel get pushed out. And with us being brand new, we kind of need it. So this one is it's not really much of anything. I got one of my books in the mail, so I'm basically going to just do a quick little show of the tools that I have, because I told you guys I don't have much. I should actually grab this guy because this guy's kind of funny. I'm sure you guys will laugh at it, but if it works, you can't hate on it. Alright, so like I said, we're just going to go over some of the, I have tools everywhere. I don't know. I start on one thing and then I put it aside, and I start on something else and put it aside and start on something else. So let me switch you around. Okay, I'm going to try and give it a little bit of a break before I start talking, because I noticed it cut out a little bit. So, a Duralast, I think I got this from Ace. Pretty cheap. I had points, so I got it free. Obviously, like I said, there's or not free, but close-ish. There's pieces everywhere. I was also very smart, and as you can see here, I left them outside when it started to rain because, you know, I melt, apparently, and no, I forgot about them. So that happened. The DeWalt kit, again, there's quite a few here missing, but I've got some other random boobobs, got some of those guys. Like I said, so this right here, this is a new floor pan I got from LMC Truck. Basically anything for these old trucks you can find there. So that's for the driver's side. Like I said, that pan there will basically come in and show you guys again, but it'll basically come in and replace all these license plates, so I can take my license plates back, I can take those license plates, and theoretically I think I should be able to get enough floor for the 52 that it would be decent enough to drive. So I don't remember if I showed you guys, but I picked it up from the shop, and yeah, my muffler fell off, so I gotta do that again. The tool that I want to show you, you know how brakes, when the brake pad or whatever it is comes out and you gotta retract it. I didn't have one of those tools, so I had wood laying around, and that guy, and I don't really remember. I don't think this one was in there. Maybe I think it was just this one, but I had to try and push in that. I don't know if it's a caliper or whatever it is, but I had to push it in. So this was my at-home. Made this guy to make it work, and sorry, it did, but look at that, it was cheap. But now I got one of these, so the pad spreader, yeah, there you go, to push the pad back in or whatever it is. But I got one of these from good old Napa Know-How. This is just random fluid. This is my siphon device. It was like $1, and that's what I used to get the 52 running. And then I like to have things here that I can actually read. So this one, not even opened. I've been waiting on this guy. I've had this one, but I've been waiting to do anything with it because I haven't had the truck. So I hate, even though I'm young enough and I'm on the computer all the time, I hate looking up car stuff on the internet because it either doesn't exist, or everything's like, yeah, you have to pay us, you know, a subscription to look at our diagrams. So I went and I bought this. I bought this for, I think, $60, something like that. But it basically gives, sorry, sun's in the way. Let me position my shadow. There you go. But yeah, all the routine maintenance, tune-up, everything, brake, ignition, suspension, electrical, and the wiring diagrams. That's the big one, because I gotta rewire this whole thing eventually. So this is good. I'll be able to use this to hopefully get this to be better. What else do I got in here? Just stuff. Oh, I got you all messed up. So there's my mirror. So I gotta take that other mirror off, and I got my little arm guys, which this thing too, I haven't even checked. I ordered the wrong one a second time. Oh boy. Yeah, you see, I'm supposed to have that guy, and I got that guy. Well, I wonder, can I bend it? Is that what they did here? I bet you I could make that work. I'm gonna just bend it, because I'm not ordering another one. I'm just He-Man bend it. But no, I was trying to replace just the glass, but just the glass that I ordered was tiny. I say that and this one's massive. Holy cow. Okay, well, I think I ordered the wrong one again. That thing is huge, by the way. That's a whole body-sized mirror, almost. Not quite, but, you know. So I got that guy. This is the other mirror that is too small in here. That was just the replacement mirror, but again, ordered that a while ago, never returned it. This actually just came in the mail. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, which I'm not very great at. But, oh yeah, this stuff is, give me a sec. Alright, and we're back. Okay, yep. I had a two-hander to get this guy open, but I should have just finished the whole thing and not left it here. But, there you go. 1949 to 1952 Dodge passenger car shop Manuel. So, don't know what those are, so don't know. There's nothing on the back. But anyways, this book, wow, that sun is something fierce. This book will teach me and let me check up everything I need to know on that guy. So, yeah, I was debating on seeing if I couldn't get that to roll. Maybe I will. I don't know yet. I have another sending unit in there because, again, I ordered another one thinking I needed it, and I did not need it. So, yeah. But, yeah, kind of that was what I wanted to showcase is, let me flip you around. So, yeah, like I was saying, that's kind of what I wanted to do was go ahead and, for one, get videos on the channel, and for two, let you guys know, like, when I say I don't have tools, like, what I showed you is what I got. That's what I use. So, a lot of things will take a lot longer for me to do because I don't have I don't got the fancy battery-powered torque wrench, anything, breaker bar. I ain't got none of that. I got one big jack. I've got a little jack. And I did buy 4 jack stands a while back, so that's basically what I got. I got an oil pan. I got some old shop vac I picked up on the side of the road. I got a creeper that half-ass works. I basically use, I'll just show you. I use a boogie board, okay? It works. You don't slide very good, but yeah, that's what I use. So I crawl under down here, and I mean, she needs some work on her, but basically that's where let me just see if I can get us all the way down there. I got grass everywhere. I'll just pull you in. Here we go. Ooh, finger. So that's the fuel pump, which isn't fuel pumping. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that guy off of there again, because that is the return to the tank. Well, not the return, but from the tank. I'm going to take that guy out and connect that up to the carb, and yeah, I think once that, I'm going to connect it up to the carb, which, you know, let's just I don't think I ever popped hoods on these things, did I? What kind of guy am I? So this guy's kind of cool. Let me flip you around again. Alright, so this one has right in here, you see that it's got your pull lever. Let me get my big ugly fingers out the way. Push lever, my bad. You push that one, and then there is another, let me see if I can cover up the sun here. It's like your traditional, you got to reach in there and pull it towards you. So let me lift that guy up there. Oh, there we go. Okay. And yeah, that's that. The sun is something fierce today. Like I said, it's pretty bad. Yeah, look at these things. So it's a 6 volt, so positive ground. I'm gonna try to switch that to a 12 eventually. Last guy did all the spark plugs, everything like that. I got to get a new distributor cap for down. Where is it? Oh, I'm thinking about the truck. What am I doing? I do need one of those though. I don't remember what that's. It's like a distribution something or other. Got to get a cap for that. I do need a new belt in this guy, but you know, it'll happen eventually. Like I said, this is, as much as it hurts me because, well, I'm really bad to where when I buy new stuff, like new projects, I want to do that first. But this one is definitely going to have to wait a little bit. But she is mega crusty. I ran it for a little bit, idling, all that, and the oil is no good, so I don't want to run it too much more. But you gotta drop that out, change all that. I want to see if it'll move first, obviously, so I am gonna, like I just said I wasn't gonna do, I am gonna run it again just to see if I can get it to go forward, go backwards, all that good shit. Oh, there, yeah, there it is. There it is, right there. The distributor cap. So we got that there. I don't even want to pull the oil. I don't even want you guys to see it. It's so bad. I believe it should be this guy. Woo. Oh. You know what? Let me find my finger. 1 second. Alright, got you guys back. So, I mean, it's not terrible. It's still got the viscosity and all that good jazz, so it still does the oil thing, but again, like I said, I would like to change it. I don't know when it got changed, but I'd like to change that. My ignition likes to pop out when you put it in there, but yeah, you know, I don't know, maybe I'll see if I feel motivated enough today to get her to go. I know I said I was going to do it this weekend, but it's pretty freaking hot today. And when I get hot and sweaty, I get upset. But yeah, like look at this thing. All weather comfort system. So this is, I assume this would be the AC unit, which as you can tell doesn't have a, I believe it connects from there to that guy. So whatever that tube is or tunnel funnel thing, I don't have. I got to get grommets for the firewall to get things to stop falling out of there. The horns don't work. Well, they don't work, but I tried. I don't know. It was weird. I got them to go off once, but yeah, who knows? Who knows? Like I said, we got that guy popped up. I mean, there's nothing really in this guy. This is just your standard. This is just your standard 318, who is very upset that she got woken up. So, oh, where are you? There it is. These fucking things don't want to open up. But yeah, so like I said, this guy, it's just your standard 318. So I put in a new alternator, got fuel pumps. I had that guy rebuild the carb, my super amazing headlight wiring, which I'll have to do again eventually because, well, one of my headlights stopped working again, but whatever. I got one. That's legal. Distributor cap is back there, which my dad was trying to tell me that I should probably go through it because, like I said, as this thing runs and drives, kinda. Like, it does. I've driven it. But if it does, it's very picky. If it's not the perfect weather out, she doesn't like to go. But like I said, that's pretty much all that's in this guy. We'll get back to this eventually. But that's why we got the book, because one of the next things I want to do is electrical mainly. I'll probably put in the floor first because I still got to order the still gotta order the, Jesus Christ, I can't even think about it. I still gotta order the wiring harness, which is gonna run me like 200 some bucks, so that's gonna wait a while until after, you know, other bills get paid. And then I'll take care of that. But yeah, that's kind of it. This is getting a little longer than I was hoping, but yeah, that's the plan. Like I said, I don't know. I just felt like making a video because there's only one on the channel and it doesn't look very YouTube-y, so I gotta make a few others. But yep, so those are my tools. There ain't much. You got to see under the hoods. Like I said, things are gonna happen eventually, but a lot of it's gonna wait on money and parts. So once we get that going, I will bring you guys back and we'll do some stuff. I'll see if I want to get this thing to move. If I do, it'll be another video, or I might just add it at the end here. I don't know yet. But anyways, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.